But finally, my e-scooter is here. I'm saying finally, it didn't even take time. It was like a week, less than a week shipment. So this is the X700 Ajos. That name is a mouthful. X700 scooter. From my research, this has been the cheapest dual motor e-scooter. Oh mo, this thing is heavy. Ah, oh mo, it's fucking heavy. Unboxing it. Let's see what's. Let's set it up and see what this has. And we'll be doing a test anyways. We'll be doing a test later today to see what this scooter is made up of. See what it can do. How fast it goes. Test the shocks, test everything. Check it out. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below. Then fitting the lights. According to the description of what I read, the speed it can go as far as 70 km per hour, but I'm going to put a test to that because on paper you get the speed written on the description that it goes 70 km per hour, 80 km per hour, 120 km per hour, but they will not specify. They will not consider or put it when you are actually riding it, because your weight will actually reduce the speed a bit. Like, for example, if it's going 70 km per hour, depending on your weight, the maximum you can get maybe as much as 60, 60 or 50, depending on your weight, like I said earlier. But anyways, you guys should stick around because I'll be doing a full test video of the scooter in my next video. Test for the shocks, speed, and many other things. Thanks for watching.